In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the WP Travel Engine for free in 2025. This is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to enhance their WordPress site with travel booking capabilities. Whether you're running a travel agency or simply adding travel services to your existing offerings, the WP Travel Engine plugin can help streamline the process. So let's dive in and get started on installing it to your WordPress platform. First things first, you'll need to open your WordPress admin panel. This is the control hub for your website, where you can manage various aspects like themes, plugins, and content. Once you've logged into your admin dashboard, the next step is to navigate to the plugins section. On the sidebar, locate the plugins option, which is usually listed below appearance and above users. Click on plugins and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, you'll want to select add new. Now that you're in the Add Plugins section, you'll see a search box on the top right corner of this page. Here, type in WP Travel Engine and hit enter. The search will bring up a list of plugins that match your query. Look for WP Travel Engine, which should appear at the top of the list due to its popularity and relevance. Once you find WP Travel Engine in the search results, you'll see a button that reads Install Now. Click on this button. WordPress will then download and install the plugin automatically. This process may take a few moments, depending on your internet speed. So be patient while it installs. After the installation is complete, the Install Now button will change to Activate. This is an important step because installing a plugin doesn't immediately enable its functionality on your site. You have to activate it to make it work. So go ahead and click Activate. This action will make WP Travel Engine operational on your website, allowing you to start using its features right away. There's also an alternative method in case you face any issues with the direct search and installation approach. You can download the zip file of WP Travel Engine directly from WordPress. To do this, visit their plugin page and download the zip file. Then go back to your WordPress admin, navigate to Plugins, click Add New, and this time choose Upload Plugin. Choose the downloaded zip file from your computer and click Install Now. After installation, activate it just like before. Lastly, to start setting up WP Travel Engine, go to your WordPress dashboard and locate the WP Travel Engine section. Clicking this will lead you through the setup process where you can configure the plugin according to your needs, and you are all set to start offering travel bookings on your site. And there you have it. You've successfully installed and activated the WP Travel Engine for free. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.